Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another motivating clean with me. This video is going to be an after dark clean with me. I've got to tackle my entire house. I've kind of been lacking lately, so I need to tackle my kitchen, my bedroom. I've got stuff laying around the living room everywhere, just, normal everyday stuff I need to clean. And I've also got a ton of laundry that I need to get to. I'm actually like on my last pair of underwear at this point, so I've got to get laundry done, clean up this nasty bathroom, and I'm just going to bring you guys along for the ride in case you needed some motivation. If you guys like cleaning at night, let me know. I really do enjoy cleaning at night better. I think because I can just kind of think about things from during the day and just kind of rest and relax. And when I'm in another zone, like in my mind, trying to just get over the day and think about everything that's gone on and what I need to do for the rest of the week, then I can get a whole bunch more stuff cleaned. I don't know if that's just my brain, if you guys feel the same way too, but I figured you guys would love some motivation to kind of get some things done around your house. So that's what this video is here for. It is full of real life messes, a total relatable cleaning video. I have had some new subscribers and friends come along here in the last few weeks. So just really quickly, I wanted to say again, welcome. My name is Mandy, and here on my channel, I upload everything real life, realistic, and relatable. Anything that has to do with your home lifestyle, cleaning, decorating, shopping, anything like that, that's what you're going to find here. So if you enjoy things like that, this is definitely where you need to be. I would love for you to subscribe if you're not already and become a part of my family here. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and get started here in the kitchen. I already put a load of laundry into the washing machine. That way I can have that started. And like I've said before, I like to double task. So if I've got some stuff in the washing machine, I'm doing that as well as cleaning at the same time. But I'm just going to have this be like a relaxing video. So I'm going to play some good music and pop in and out every now and then just to check on you guys to see if you're getting some stuff done. If you want this to be some motivation for later, go ahead and give this one a thumbs up and save it in your playlist for later on. Come back to it. But let's just go ahead and get started with this so we can get done a little bit faster.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay. We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on together. Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on
I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far and getting some motivation. Right now I'm in the living room just giving it a really quick dusting. I've actually noticed here quite a bit of change in the dog hair that's been around, and I normally always have to like dust in here at least like once a day, but I've noticed that it's changed a lot. I guess it's that time of year. Bodhi's not shedding as much and I'm so extremely grateful for that. I actually noticed one day I had him out in the backyard. We were playing one day after work and I went to brush him and there was like hardly nothing coming off, and I was like, okay, he must be getting ready for that winter coat and he's not letting any hair go, which like I said, I'm extremely grateful for. So I have noticed like in my vacuum cleaner I haven't been getting a lot in the little dust cup, so fingers crossed, at least that will stay for a little bit and I can have a little bit of a break from dog hair all over the place. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and move into the bathroom. This place takes a beating, and I'm not being funny. Like in the mornings when I'm trying to get ready for work, I'm just not having it. I'm not a morning person and I'm just throwing everything everywhere. All I want to do is just get ready and get out so I can get the day over with and come back home. So I rarely ever put things away when I'm done in the mornings. I know that would be like save myself some time from cleaning, but I just don't. And I'm really the only one that ever goes in this bathroom, so it really doesn't make a difference. But I've got stuff everywhere. I don't think I've cleaned up in here probably like this whole week, so it definitely did need it. I'm just going to go ahead and get everything put away where it belongs, get everything wiped down, and move on to the next mess.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you years ago, but I still see your face. Freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans and I was your biggest dream, yeah. Then I didn't call for weeks, thought the love wasn't for me, no. I still think of you. I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. I still think of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was you and I. We never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be. Me and you, we're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself. Me and you, we're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself go. Let yourself go. Let yourself go.
So I've pretty much gotten everything done that I set out to do on this evening. Again, I always do like my deep major cleaning on the weekend, so I didn't really do like mopping floors and things like that. I'll definitely keep that for the weekend. But during the week, like I said, I do like to get some things done. If I can do like one thing a day, then it helps me keep up with everything. Again, it's just me and Ruben in the house, so it's always, not really all that messy, but it's just like the daily things, like making sure that the kitchen is picked up and cleaned, making sure that everything is vacuumed and that we have clean clothes, at least for the day. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, if you like to do evening cleanings, let me know because I like to do them too. I would like to maybe do like a series, like maybe a couple nighttime cleaning videos a month or something like that. If you guys enjoy this, I really do. I get a lot more done at night. I think it's kind of like when you don't expect company coming over, but you get that phone call and somebody's like, I'm getting ready to come to your house, and you're like, oh my God. And you go and you do like a massive mass cleaning of your house, and you've done more in 30 minutes than you've done in like 3 days. That's kind of like what this is. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this and got a ton of motivation out of it. I truly thank you for everything that you guys do for me and for being here. But for now, I love you and appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.